It's that time again. School improvement team needs your common formative assessment data for second quarter. And so before I send this form out, or in addition to this form, I just wanted to clear up a few things that may have been confusing last time. So as you fill out the form, please make sure you're completing it as a PLT. Each PLT needs to submit answers together. So 8th grade social studies, 7th grade science, 6th grade ELA, you will all submit your answers as one. So this first part, pick your grade level, pick your content area. Math 8 and Math 1 teachers, I will need you to submit step twice, once for Math 8 and once for Math 1. And if you need help with that, let me know and I'll clear that up. This first question is just asking for the percentage of students who earned an A, B, or C second quarter. So what that means is if you teach 400 students and 300 of them scored an A, B, or C, then that answer would be 75%. Make sure you're putting all of your numbers together. The second question, same kind of thing, except it's asking for the CFA data. So how many kids scored an A, B, or C on the CFA data that your PLT created and used. The next part is where it gets a little tricky. So this is asking for demographic information. So the percentage of Asian students who earned an A, B, or C on the CFA. So let's say as a PLT, you guys teach 20 Asian students. So out of your 400 kids, 20 of them are identified as Asian students, and 15 of them got an A, B, or C on the CFA, you would just put 75% in for that answer. And that is the same thing for the remaining questions here. It just wants the number of students in that demographic group that scored an A, B, or C on the CFA. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I will do my best to clear it up. In addition, I'm going to send back out that report you got last time, which tells you how students are identified in case you don't have it. So I hope this helps. And again, if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.